modifying a table using the Layout tab. When you select a table in Word 2010, Design and Layout tabs appear under Table Tools on the ribbon. Using commands on the Layout tab, you can make a variety of modifications to the table. Click the buttons in the interactive below to learn about the different ways you can modify a table without the Layout tab. SmartArt graphics. SmartArt allows you to visually communicate information rather than simply using text. Illustrations can really enhance your document, and SmartArt makes using graphics especially easy. In this lesson, you will learn how to insert a SmartArt graphic, modify the color and effects, and change the organization of the graphic. SmartArt allows you to visually communicate information rather than simply using text. To insert a SmartArt illustration. 1. Place the insertion point in the document where you want the graphic to appear. 2. Select the Insert tab. 3. Select the SmartArt command in the Illustrations group. A dialog box appears. 4. Select a category on the left of the dialog box and review the SmartArt graphics that appear in the center. 5. Select the desired SmartArt graphic and click OK. To see more details about a graphic, click on any image and a larger preview of the graphic with additional text details will appear on the right side of the dialog box. To add text to a SmartArt graphic. 1. Select the graphic. A border will appear around it with an arrow on the left side. 2. Click the arrow on the left side of the graphic to open the task pane. 3. Enter text next to each bullet in the task pane. The information will appear in the graphic and will resize to fit inside the shape. 4. To add a new shape, press Enter. A new bullet will appear in the task pane and a new shape will appear in the graphic. You can also add text by clicking on the desired shape and then typing your text. This works well if you only need to add text to a few shapes. However, for more complex SmartArt graphics, working in the task pane is often faster. Changing the organization of a SmartArt graphic. To add a shape to a graphic. 1. Select the graphic. The Design and Format tabs appear on the ribbon. 2. Select the Design tab. 3. Click the Add Shape command in the Graphics group. 4. Decide where you want the new shape to appear and select one of the shapes nearby the desired location. 5. Select Add Shape Before or Add Shape After. If we wanted to add a superior or a subordinate, we could select the Add Shape Above or Add Shape Below options. You can change the layout of a SmartArt graphic even after you've added text. However, if the new layout is very different from the old one, some of your text may not show up. Experiment with different layouts to see how they display your text differently. To move shapes using the Promote or Demote commands. 1. Select the graphic. The Design and Format tabs appear on the ribbon. 2. Select the Design tab. 3. Select the shape you would like to move. 4. Click the Promote or Demote commands in the Create Graphic group. 5. The shape will move up or down by one level. You can also demote and promote shapes from within the task pane. With the insertion point in the task pane, Press the Tab key to demote a shape. Press the Backspace key or Shift Tab to promote a shape. It's a lot like creating an outline with a multi-level list. Modifying the SmartArt graphics appearance. To change the SmartArt style, 1. Select the graphic. The Design and Format tabs appear on the ribbon. 2. Click the Design tab. 3. In the SmartArt Styles group, click the More drop-down arrow to view all of the styles. 4. Hover the mouse over each style to see a live preview. 5. Select the desired style. To change the color scheme. Word provides a variety of color schemes to use with SmartArt. The color schemes use theme colors, so they will vary depending on which theme you're using. 1. Select the graphic. The Design and Format tabs appear on the ribbon. 2. Select the Design tab. 3. Click the Change Colors command. A drop-down menu appears showing various color schemes. 4. Select the desired color scheme. If you want to change the appearance of a single shape within the SmartArt graphic, select the shape and click the Format tab. You can then modify the shape style, color, effects, or other settings for that shape. Templates. A template is a pre-designed document that you can use to create documents quickly without having to think about formatting. With a template, many of the big document design decisions such as margin size, font style and size, and spacing are predetermined. In this lesson, you will learn how to create a new document with a template and insert text into it. Create a new document with template. Templates can help you create a more professional and visually appealing document. With Word's large selection of templates, you'll likely find one to suit your purpose, whether you're creating a business card or a simple award certificate. To use templates, you'll need to know how to create a new document with a template and how to insert text into the template. To insert a template. 1. Click the File tab to go to the Backstage view. 2. Select New. The new document pane appears. 3. Click Sample Templates to choose a built-in template, or select an Office.com template category to download a template. 4. Select the desired template and click Create. A new document will appear using the template you've selected. Use caution when downloading Office.com templates. Some of them are uploaded by people not affiliated with Microsoft, and Microsoft cannot guarantee that those templates are free from viruses or defects. For those templates, you'll see a warning message before downloading them. Entering information into a template. To insert text into a template. Templates include placeholder text that is surrounded by brackets. To personalize your document, you'll need to replace the placeholder text with your own text. Some templates simply use regular text as the placeholder text rather than the traditional placeholder text with brackets. In those cases, just delete the text and type in your own text. 1. Click on the text you want to replace. The text will appear highlighted and a template tag will appear. 2. Enter some text. It will replace the placeholder text. For some fields, there is a drop-down arrow that you can use to select the information rather than typing it. For example, a date field will show a calendar so you can choose the date more easily. To change pre-filled information. In some templates, your name or initials will be automatically added. This is known as pre-filled information. If your name or initials are incorrect, you'll need to change them in Word options. 1. Click the File tab to go to the Backstage view. 2. Click the Options button. The Word Options dialog box appears. 3. Enter the username and/or initials in the General section and then click OK. If you're using a public computer, such as one at a library, you may not want to change these settings. Mail Merge. Mail Merge is a useful tool that will allow you to easily produce multiple letters, labels, envelopes, name tags, and more using information stored in a list, database, or spreadsheet. In this lesson, you will learn how to use the Mail Merge wizard to create a data source and a form letter. and explore other wizard features. Mail merge. When you're performing a mail merge, you will need a Word document. You can start with an existing one or create a new one and a recipient list, which is typically an Excel workbook. To use mail merge, 1. Open an existing Word document or create a new one. 2. Click the Mailings tab. 3. Click the Start Mail Merge command. 4. Select Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard. The Mail Merge task pane appears and will guide you through the 6 main steps to complete a mail merge. The following is an example of how to create a form letter and merge the letter with the recipient list. Choose the type of document you wish to create. In this example, select Letters. 2. Click Next, Starting Document to move to Step 2. Step 2. 1. Select Use the current document. 2. Click Next. Select Recipients to move to Step 3. Step 3. Now you'll need an address list so that Word can automatically place each address into the document. The list can be in an existing file, such as an Excel workbook, or you can type a new address list from within the Mail Merge wizard. 1. From the Mail Merge task pane, select Use an existing list and then click Browse. 2. Locate your file in a dialog box. You may have to navigate to a different folder and click Open. 3. If the address list is in an Excel workbook, select the worksheet that contains the list and click OK. 4. In the Mail Merge Recipients dialog box, you can check or uncheck each recipient to control which ones are used in the mail merge. When you're done, click OK to close the dialog box. 5. From the Mail Merge task pane, click Next. Write your letter to move to Step 4. If you don't have an existing address list, you can click the Type a New List button and click Create. You can then type your address list. Step 4. Now you're ready to write your letter. When it's printed, each copy of the letter will basically be the same, except that the recipient data, such as the name and address, will be different on each one. You'll need to add placeholders for the recipient data so Mail Merge knows exactly where to add the data. If you're using Mail Merge with an existing letter, make sure the file is open now. To insert recipient data, 1. Place the insertion point in the document where you wish the information to appear. 2. Select Address Block, Greeting Line, Electronic Postage, or more items from the task pane. 3. Depending on your selection, a dialog box may appear with various options. Select the desired options and click OK. 4. A placeholder appears in your document, for example, Address Block. 5. Repeat these steps each time you need to enter information from your data record. 6. From the Mail Merge task pane, click Next. Review your letters to move to Step 5. For some letters, you'll only need to add an address block and greeting line. Sometimes, however, you may wish to place recipient data within the body of the letter to personalize it even further. Step 5. 1. Review the letters to make sure the information from the recipient list appears correctly in the letter. You can use the left and right scroll arrows to view each document. 2. Click Next. Complete the merge to move to Step 6. Step 6. 1. Click Print to print the letters. 2. The Merge to Printer dialog box opens. Click All, then click OK. 3. The Print dialog box will appear. Adjust the print settings if needed, and then click OK.